Hi there, junior aviators. Welcome to Curious Minds. Have you ever looked up at an airplane and wondered, how does that giant thing stay in the sky? It's like magic, but it's actually science. Today, we're learning all about how airplanes fly. Buckle up. This is going to be a high-flying adventure. Airplanes stay in the sky because of four forces: lift, thrust, weight, and drag. Think of these like a team working together to keep the plane soaring. Lift is the upward force that helps the plane rise. Thrust moves the plane forward, weight pulls it down, and drag slows it down. If we balance these forces just right, the plane flies. Now let's talk about wings. Wings are shaped like teardrops, flat on the bottom and curved on the top. This shape is called an airfoil. When the plane moves, air travels faster over the curved top than the flat bottom. Fast-moving air creates low pressure, and slow-moving air creates high pressure. The high pressure pushes the plane up. Ta-da! That's lift in action. The engines are like the muscles of the airplane. They create thrust by pushing air backward really fast. It's like when you blow up a balloon and let it go. The air rushing out pushes the balloon forward. Pilots use controls to steer the plane. These help tilt the wings, move the tail, and adjust the engines. It's like riding a bike, but way cooler. Want to try flying something at home? Let's make a paper airplane. Fold the paper like this, and there you go. Decorate it however you like and see how far it can fly. Maybe experiment with different designs to see which one flies the best. Thanks for soaring through the skies with me. Airplanes may seem like magic, but they're powered by science. And now you know the secret. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep reaching for the skies. Bye.